Have you ever experienced a strange coincidence? You think about someone and suddenly they send you a message? You hear a word and then see it everywhere. You make a small mistake and years later realize that mistake changed your life. Coincidence? Maybe, or maybe something deeper. Welcome to Candy English Podcast. I'm Candy. I'm an English coach.
And I'm Young. I'm learning English.
Today, we're talking about synchronicity, a word made famous by the psychologist Carl Jung.
I've heard that word before, but what exactly does it mean?
Jung called it a meaningful coincidence, events that seem unrelated yet somehow feel connected, not because one causes the other, but because together they carry meaning.
So, synchronicity is not just luck?
No, and Jung believed something even more interesting. He believed synchronicity often appears when something inside us is changing, when we're becoming ready for the next chapter of our lives.
That's fascinating. Almost as if life responds when we're ready.
Exactly. Let me tell you a story. Several years ago, a woman wrote a simple list. A list of dreams, places she wanted to visit, books she wanted to read, people she hoped to meet. Then she put the paper away and forgot about it completely.
And what happened?
Years later, she found the paper again, hidden inside a drawer. She started reading it, one line after another, and suddenly she felt a chill.
Why?
Because almost everything on the list had happened, not according to a plan, not because she forced it. One opportunity led to another, one conversation opened a door, one unexpected decision changed everything.
That's amazing. It must have felt unreal.
For a moment, yes. It felt as if someone had written a letter from the future, and that someone was her younger self.
Maybe the dreams were already alive inside her, even when she forgot about them.
I think so. Sometimes our conscious mind forgets, but something deeper remembers.
That sounds very much like Jung.
Yes, he believed that our deeper self often knows more than we realize, and when we become ready, life sometimes begins placing signs along the path.
Not because the universe is controlling us, but because we're finally able to see what was already there.
Beautifully said, Yang. And here's another story. A woman was traveling home after work. She was tired, lost in thought, and without realizing it, she got off at the wrong station.
Oh no, that sounds frustrating.
That's what she thought too. While waiting for the next train, she walked into a small bookstore nearby. There, she found a book. The book introduced her to a new idea. That idea led her to a class. The class led her to a friendship. And years later, that friendship led to a completely different life.
Wow, all because she got off at the wrong station?
That's what she often said. My life changed because I made a mistake.
Maybe it wasn't a mistake after all.
Maybe not. Sometimes synchronicity arrives disguised as a mistake, a delay, a wrong turn, a closed door, something that disappoints us at first.
And only later do we understand its meaning.
Exactly. That's why synchronicity is so mysterious. We usually recognize it only when we look back.
Like connecting stars into a constellation.
Yes, one star doesn't mean much, but when you step back, a pattern appears.
So what is the message for us today?
Don't worry if life seems confusing right now. Don't worry if you cannot see the whole picture. Sometimes the next step appears only when you're ready, and sometimes synchronicity appears when your heart is ready too.
Not when we force it, not when we chase it, but when we quietly grow into it.
I couldn't have said it better. Maybe synchronicity is not about magic. Maybe it's about preparation, the moment when our inner world and outer world finally meet.
That's a beautiful thought.
Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the channel and don't miss our next episode.
Keep listening, keep learning, and keep noticing the small signs around you.
Life may be speaking more often than you think. See you again soon.